Hey everybody, welcome back. Another DoorDash trick to get the most out of their surge rate or surge bonus areas. Stick around, you're gonna like this one. All right, so you're working for DoorDash, or I'm going to gear this towards DoorDash because I don't know how the other delivery services work. But with DoorDash, they have areas, geofences, kind of like surge zones, where they put in a flat bonus for every delivery you make. It can be $1, it can be $2. I've seen it as high as $5. And DoorDash is pretty sneaky though. When you're in an area where you've got a surge, and it doesn't matter if it's $1 up to $5, they will send you multiple orders. And I don't like doing multiple orders, especially when they're large orders, because it gets a little confusing. Bring a Sharpie, write names on bags, it helps. What they'll do is they'll send you an order request and you get that $3 bonus on the first request. However, if you receive any additional deliveries along that route that may take you another 2 miles or 3 miles or whatever, you're only going to get the base rate. You're not going to get the base rate plus the bonus. So they can double up or triple up on an order. You're only getting the bonus one time, but you're delivering 3 orders. So what I do is when I accept an order from DoorDash and I'm in that bonus area, I switch over to the next screen, I hit the menu button, and it says pause all orders. So I push the button and it pauses all orders from that point forward, and then I go and pick up the order. Do the whole routine, drop off the order, clear it, go back to resume dash, and it'll start the 35-minute timeout that you get. I drive back to the areas where the restaurants are, and I turn the pause button off, wait for my next order, get that ping, and same thing all over again. Go to the next menu or next page, hit the menu, pause the orders. That way DoorDash isn't doubling or tripling up on the orders, and you're getting the bonus for the order that you take. Now, are you going to lose a little money? Maybe, but if the bonus is $4 and they're going to add an additional stop and it's only $2.75, then you're better off using the pause button, completing the delivery, and then going back to wherever you stand by or post up, and then turn the pause orders button off and start receiving calls again. So just a little trick that I found out playing around with the app, and it helps. Every $3 an order. If you can do 10 orders, that's $30. So instead of having them double up on you or triple up on you, simply accept the order, go to the next page, hit the menu button, pause your orders so you don't get any more, complete the one you're on, go back to your area, turn the pause button off, start from scratch. That way, again, you're getting the bonus on every single order you do, and they're not doubling or tripling up on you, and you're not losing out on that bonus for the additional mileage and drive that you have to make with additional orders. Just a small little tip that I thought I would share. Some people may know it, some people may not. I know I didn't, and I'm new to this, so I hope I gave you a little bit of information there. I hope it helps out, and I really hope it works for you. With that being said, be safe, be professional, keep it real, and as always, drive on. Watch it. Stay healthy. Until next time.